Enabling two-factor authentication on your Amazon Prime Video account adds an extra layer of security. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Sign into your Amazon account. Go to the Amazon website and log in with your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your Prime Video subscription. Step 2. Navigate to your account settings. Once logged in, hover over the Accounts and List menu at the top right corner. Click on your account from the drop-down menu to access your account settings. Step 3. Select Login and Security. In the account settings, find and click on the Login and Security option. This section allows you to manage your account's security settings, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-step verification. Look for the option labeled Two-Step Verification 2SC Settings. Click on it and then select Get Started to begin the setup process. Follow the prompts to choose your preferred method for receiving the verification code, such as via SMS or an authenticator app. Step 5. Complete the setup. After selecting your verification method, enter the code sent to you to verify your choice. Once confirmed, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your account. Make sure to save any backup codes provided for future access. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Amazon Prime Video account. It's always a good idea to keep your online account secure.